Season 1 Episode 4. Vivian ki saas press all the buttons of the elevator /arrested grounded. This video was requested by Junior Poke the Alfred fan.
I'm Vivian key saas, and today, I'm gonna press all the buttons of the elevator. Hectare, 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 hectare. Hectare, 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 she's dead now. Oh my god, it's the police.
You are under arrest for pressing all the buttons of elevator. Get in the police car right now.
When Vivian ki saas got to the police station.
This is your cell. You will stay here for 5 months.
5 months later.
You have a visitor, who will see you.
Oh. Vivian ki saas, how dare you pressed all the buttons of the elevator? You know pressing all the buttons is very dangerous. That's it, you're grounded. Stay here for a month.